Well, following the murder of United Healthcare CEO, authorities are warning other healthcare executives to take precautions. Viral posts online have listed the names and salaries of several health insurance executives with wanted posters created featuring their pictures, and then those posters posted on the streets. A survey last year found that 58% of those with health insurance had experienced at least one problem with their coverage. Senior national correspondent Laura Ingle is live for us in New York City. Laura, how are law enforcement and the corporate world responding to all of this?
Hey, Nichole, this is crazy, right? You know, hearing about the non-sympathetic responses about Brian Thompson's murder last week online was one thing, but now we've got these wanted posters over town that are taking that hatred for healthcare CEOs to a whole new level. And according to new NYPD bulletins, Thompson's murder has created what they are calling a heightened risk for environment for healthcare executives. Now, these viral posts on social media have listed the names, as you mentioned, and the salaries of several top executives, fueling anger toward the industry. Now, there are also these wanted signs with the faces of insurance executives posted across Manhattan. You can see it here. We blurred their faces. And what's even more troubling is the online reaction. Many users have been celebrating Thompson's killing, which the NYPD says could encourage further violence. And law enforcement is stepping up security measures, and companies are reportedly conducting their own risk assessments as each day seems to bring something new with this. Nichole?
So, Laura, talk more about what is driving this animosity that we are seeing really from people all over the country, and then how it's being addressed.
Yeah, this is something that we've been talking about here. The outrage appears to stem from these long-standing frustrations with rising health insurance costs and executive compensation in the industry. Now, there is the social media buzz on this. Then there are some high-profile figures who have been talking about it. And, of course, this is a hot topic right now. And like Joe Rogan, who has recently criticized the industry, calling it, quote, a dirty business and gross on a recent podcast. Now, Rogan isn't calling for any action or anything like that, but with his platform and his popularity, some speculate it could add fuel to the fire that is already burning. And as for the response, corporate leaders are trying to address security concerns while also keeping public relations in check. And as we've previously reported, some health insurance companies have removed photos of their current leadership from their websites as a precaution. The NYPD urging executives to remain vigilant and advising companies to adopt stricter security protocols, especially where many of these threats are surfacing. We've reached out to the NYPD as well, Nichole, asking them if they have any surveillance footage of the people that are putting up these wanted posters and see if they can track them down, because to have these all over the city right now after something so tragic last week is really disturbing.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.